viewers. That's a new one. I haven't used that one. Welcome to another info session by Cernal Chemicals, or as you know it by now, Speak a Bikkie Soaps. As always, myself, Stefan. I have a grote here to my right. And Daniel, now you must assist me.
Chemskouer.
Yes, because it's one of those words that I really struggle to pronounce.
But just try, Stefan. One time.
Chemskouer.
Okay,
Daniel, take it from here when it comes to Chemskouer, because
Chemskouer, yes, this is an awesome product. I don't think it's a product that anyone can offer you. So, you know those burning stains on your pans and pots and so, Stefan? This is the answer. All you do is, Chemskouer, you rub it on, wet obviously before, and just rub this powder on, and then scrub it off. It takes those burning stains off as easy as that.
Out of pots and pans and frying pans and stuff like that.
So it's an awesome product. I think it's a quite original product that not everyone has a product like this, but we as Cernal do. And I have seen it's really simple, easy to use. Just rub it on and scrub it off and rinse it off with water.
Yeah, on the demonstration video at the end, you will definitely see the high performing effects of the Chemskouer. Awesome product. Availability in the quantities, Daniel, is
with obviously a 5 kg bucket, and then also a 20 kg bucket.
Okay.
And then up to and then otherwise we can also do a 25 kg bag. So
okay, so either the bucket or the bag, depending on
what you would
on the client.
Yes.
Yeah, some guys would prefer bags easier to load in a sense, but it depends on how you would like to load your vehicle. We don't have to go into depth about a bag and a bucket. Safety precautions, Daniel. It's an effective product. Does that mean it's a dangerous product? Or is
no, it's effective, but no, it's not a corrosive product, so no harm will be done if it comes onto your skin and so while rinsing off. Like I say, you'll see in the demo video, I mean, you scrub off with your bare hands and so. It's got a bit of a strong smell, but that's it.
Great.
Nothing dangerous.
Great. Afterwards, after this, please have a look at the demonstration video. See the effectiveness of the Chemskouer. It's already going better, Daniel, with the name. And then also have a look on the data sheet if you have any further questions, or alternatively, please contact either myself or Daniel, and we will be able to assist you as far as we can. So that is Skouer of Chemskouer. Thank you, Daniel. Yeah, no, leave it there. Have a lekker day.
Cernal Chemicals, get your laundry house. Cernal Chemicals, chemicals you can trust.